Okay, it's the next day and we're gonna unmold these. Look how pretty. Glitter. Now this one I already took out to make sure it was dry, and it is. And that's how it looks with the resin on the top, with the art resin. Let's see if we can come closer to the light. All right. Everything stuck to the thing. Now this, I think it's gonna be like a jewelry tray. Ooh, pretty. Like you can sit jewelry around there. Ooh. Ooh. That's interesting. It's like a gap right there. As you know, this was leftover resin that dried. So I just put it there because I thought it would be interesting. And it is. It's different. Little jewelry tray. And I like that sparkly. Look at the glitter. It's so sparkly. It's really nice. I like the white, how it looks like it's stone almost. It's cute, cute, cute. Alright, let's do these. Ooh. Blue. A little bit of the blue. Like, I don't mind when there's like a little bit of this and a little bit of that, because it actually gives it character. Let's see if this is see-through. It has like a little bit of the yellow tint. So if we use the other resin and it yellows out a little bit, it'll be fine because it's not meant to be all the way clear. It's really pretty. Very nice with the gold. The only thing I don't like is you can see, I wasn't sure if that was the bubbles or if it was the gold. You know how we lined the edges with the gold? If that was just a little particles from there. And actually, let's look at that. That actually looks not bad. I mean, it would be up to you whether you wanna paint the edges or not. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's try this one. The back, and again translucent. That was that light brown with clear. You can see it here, but then I think we used a lighter version of that brown as well. And yeah, you see a little bit of the dusting from the gold, which is fine, and then the edges are not as gold, but it's still a good, it's a nice edge. It's pretty. Let's try this one. This one was the copper edge, and it actually looks pretty good. This copper edge. It's really nice actually. And you can see it's a little bit translucent. A lot of sheen to it too. Love that glitter. So sparkly. Alright, this one was the pink. Let's take a look at this. Looks good too. Translucent. You can see the dimensions there, the colors, the colorways. Use on either side. The stones, very pretty. Last but not least, this one here, translucent again. The glitter, the sand in the middle, the dimensions, and of course the dusting. I don't know if you can see that there, but the dusting of the copper that we put around the edges kind of just blends in, makes it so pretty. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what else you would like to see. We do a lot of crafts on this channel, and as you can see here in my craft room, I do all types of crafts, including canvases. It's an original oil. This one is acrylic. And these are actually supposed to go in a gallery, but because Rona, it got pushed back. This one here is an oil, acrylic. So yeah, let us know what you want to see in this channel and we can make that happen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.